Hello guys, good morning to all of you. This is Magiraj here, and now we are going to get discuss about the Maxwell modified law and displacement current. So let me discuss here Maxwell modified Ampere law and displacement current. So according to Ampere circuital law, we know that B dot dl is equals to mu naught I, and here I is the current at any time. It means current is the function of t. I current is function of t, टाइम का फंक्शन है. तो दिस इज द लेफ्ट टर्म, okay, and this is a right term of this equation, okay. And now let me discuss here first of all the displacement current, about the displacement current. So first in this figure 0, let me consider this is a capacitor whose plates are A and B. This is the charge in capacitor, and here first of all let me consider here we take a circular loop, and here the current I or variable current IT is flowing in it. So here magnetic field in the left side of this loop, that is B dot dl, and that is equals to mu naught I of t, and I of t, you know that this current is the function of t. So according to this, okay, so let me consider this is a capacitor whose plates are A and B. Let me consider a circular loop of a radius small r placed left side of this plate A, and flowing a variable current I is the function of t, means IT in it. So a magnetic field in here, that is B dot dl according to the Ampere law, that is equals to mu naught I into t, okay. And now let me consider in this figure 2, if this plate of the capacitor surmounted by this pot which doesn't touches it at any point, and its mouth is just like a circular loop of a radius r. So whenever this current is flowing, so the first equation B dot dl, that is equals to 0, because here not any current that will flow from plate A to plate B, because it is completely surmounted. ये प्लेट जो है completely ढकी हुई है, और यहाँ से हम जब इस करंट को फ्लो करेंगे तो इसका लेफ्ट साइड जो सर्कुलर लूप है, जैसे यहाँ पर था B डॉट dl तो रहेगा, बट ये इस प्लेट से कोई भी चेंजमेंट इधर प्लेट बी की तरफ नहीं हो पा रहा. क्यों? क्योंकि ये इस पॉट से कंप्लीटली ढकी हुई है और कहीं टच भी नहीं कर रही. सो इधर कुछ भी चेंज नहीं हो रहा. अब हम इसको फिगर 3 से कंसीडर करते हैं कि अगर हम इसको एक ओपन टिफिन बॉक्स की तरीके से लगा देंगे, और अब हम इसमें I इज द फंक्शन ऑफ t करंट फ्लो करें. ये प्लेट A है, तो दिस इज ओपन टिफिन बॉक्स. सो अब की बार जैसे यहाँ से करंट फ्लो करते हैं, सो कोई टर्म है जो इधर से इधर की तरफ ट्रांसमिट कर रहा है, दैट इज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, ओके. सो अभी यहाँ पर एक मिसिंग टर्म था, जिसकी वजह से राइट साइड में इस एम्पियर की इक्वेशन में कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं आ रही थी। बट यहाँ पर जो है, अब जैसे हमने ओपन टिफिन बॉक्स, ये ओपन प्लेट है, ऐसे हमने अटैच किया तो कोई ऐसी क्वांटिटी है जो प्लेट ए टू प्लेट बी की तरफ जा रही है, that is attached a strong electric field and that will also produced by this positive and a negative charge. So here arises this quantity, the rate of change of charge, that is equals to displacement, something else whatever be displaced from plate A to plate B, and that is the current, that is known as displacement current। यानी कोई क्वांटिटी ऐसी है जो प्लेट ए से प्लेट बी की तरफ जा रही है और किसके थ्रू, ड्यू टू द स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कैपिटल ई, जो टर्म यहाँ पर मिसिंग था, दैट इज द displacement current। okay, so displacement current is known as the rate of change of charge is called electric charge is called displacement current। So look here again, this we know that this is the Ampere law, that is B dot dl equals to mu naught I, and this term is left side and this is right side, and this is equation first, and I is the function of t, that's denoted by it। okay, in this figure first let me consider this is a capacitor whose plates are A and B। in plate of this capacitor of the plate A, here attached a circular loop of a radius r and flowing a variable current IT। so in the left side that is equals to B dot dl and the right side mu naught I, in I is the function of t, ये इक्वल होगा। ओके, in this figure first, now let me consider the figure second। the first plate of the capacitor that we surmounted by this pot which doesn't touches of this plate A, कहीं पर भी इसको टच नहीं कर रही, and now again flowing this current, variable current IT। so in the left side in the first equation that will happen B dot dl, but on the other side there will no any change because this plate is completely surmounted, so something quantity or some quantity which changes from this plate to this plate, that is not available here because this plate is completely surmounted by this pot। यानी इस pot यानी इस घड़े की आकृति वाले से इसको completely ढक दिया गया है, तो जो चीज प्लेट A से प्लेट B की तरफ जाने वाली थी वो यहाँ पर अवेलेबल नहीं हो पा रही। तो हमने क्या किया, नेक्स्ट कंडीशन में फिगर 3 में हमने एक ओपन टिफिन बॉक्स लगा दिया। अब यहाँ से ये क्या है, ओपन है। अब हमने फिर वेरिएबल करंट फ्लो किया, तो अब यहाँ से जो रुक रहा था, ये जो बर्तन था, पॉट था, इसको किसी चीज के फ्लो को रोक रहा था, अब वो निकल रहा है, दैट इज द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड which attached from plate A to plate B। so here the transformation of the charge that will happen by the strong electric field which align from plate A to plate B। so simply we can say that the rate of change of this electric charge is known as displacement current। okay, so the rate of change of electric charge is called displacement current, that is denoted by ID and it is equals to dq in upon dt। क्योंकि ये प्लेटों के इनसाइड का चार्ज है इसलिए हमने इसको q in लिखा। ओके, सो देखिएगा ये प्लेट, पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर जो था, whose plate A and this is B and this is charge on plate A and this is plate B। so you know that here present only ID, यानी कैपेसिटर के इनसाइड में ID जीरो नहीं होगा बट कंडक्शन करंट इज जीरो, एंड आउटसाइड ऑफ द कैपेसिटर ID will be zero but IC cannot be zero। यानी कैपेसिटर के आउटसाइड में कंडक्शन करंट जीरो नहीं हो सकती और इनसाइड में डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट जीरो नहीं हो सकती। सो ऑलवेज जस्ट टू रिमेंबर दिस, displacement current never be zero inside the capacitor, and conduction current never be zero outside the capacitor. And here this point is noted down. So the term of magnetic field arises through the conduction current, and even it is not arises only the conduction current, but also it arises through the changeable electric field. देखिए यहाँ पर जो था ये इसकी वजह से प्लेट ए से प्लेट बी की तरफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड भी था जो इस रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ चार्ज को मैनेज कर रहा था. सो सिंपली वी कैन से दैट द magnetic field not arises only the conduction current, but also it arises the variable electric field between the plates, or simply we can say that magnetic field arises by the both conduction current and variable electric field. So like this, and it is denoted like this is electric field, and here also available this electric field and this magnetic field that we produced by the help of electric field and conduction current. So modified rule, we know that by equation first, B dot dl that is equals to mu naught IC plus ID. Okay, and B dot dl is equals to mu naught IC plus ID. We know that flux, electrical flux is equals to Qn upon epsilon naught. So differentiate with respect to t both sides. So d phi E upon dt 1 by epsilon naught dq upon dt, and this is displacement current. So epsilon naught d phi E upon dt, that is equals to id, and this is equals to dq upon dt. Okay, so displacement current की वैल्यू अगर देखें, so epsilon naught d phi E upon dt है, तो ये id है, इस वैल्यू को यहाँ पर पुट कर दीजिए. So b dot dl mu naught IC plus epsilon naught d phi E upon dt. Okay, so you can also say that this magnetic field also produced by the help of conduction current and by the change of electrical flux or variable electric field. Okay, so this is the modified Maxwell ampere circuital rule. Okay, so we know that this is B dot dl that is equals to mu naught IT, and B dot dl is equals to mu naught IT, and this current is the sum of conduction and displacement current. So B dot dl is equals to mu naught IC plus ID, and this is the Maxwell modified rule, and this is IC, and we know that this electrical flux and differentiate both sides. So d phi E upon dt is equals to 1 by epsilon naught dql by dt, and you know that displacement current id equals to dqn upon dt, that is equals to epsilon naught d phi E upon dt. तो displacement current की ये वैल्यू होगी, इस वैल्यू को हमने यहाँ पर पुट कर दिया. So this is the Maxwell modified ampere circuital equation. Okay, now let me discuss here the Maxwell equations. Okay, so there are available 4 Maxwell equations in here. So here 4 Maxwell equations available in here, and Maxwell equation. Okay, so first you know that E dot ds is equals to Q enclosed upon epsilon naught. This is Gauss law related to electric field. Gauss law related to electric field. The same way Second law, B dot ds is equals to 0. This is Gauss law or magnetic flux related to magnetic flux. Okay, these are two law, electric flux and magnetic flux, and you know that third law is E dot dl, that is equals to minus d phi upon dt and d phi b upon dt. You know that this is the law of Faraday or Faraday's law. Of electromagnetic induction, and fourth one is the Maxwell Ampere modified rule, B dot dl, that is equals to mu naught IC plus epsilon naught d phi e upon dt, and this is the Maxwell Ampere law. Okay, Maxwell Ampere law or Ampere circuit law. So there are four laws that are given by the Maxwell and which are known as the Maxwell equation. This is the electric flux related to the electric field, E dot ds equals to Q by epsilon naught, you know, and this is the magnetic flux, B dot ds equals to 0, Gauss law or magnetic flux related to the magnetic field, E dot dl is equals to minus d phi b upon dt, change in magnetic flux or rate of change of magnetic flux. This is the Faraday's law related to the electromagnetic induction, and this is B dot dl equals to mu naught bracket IC plus epsilon naught d phi e upon dt, that is the Maxwell Ampere law, Maxwell Ampere circuital law.